Have you been on a video conference call and encountered this or this? Hi, I'm Travis Monroe of Mediamazing, and today we're going to go over how to properly frame your video conference calls. A huge key to looking professional on a video conference call is being able to properly frame yourself in the video so you draw the participants in and keep the focus on you. The first step is to get your camera at eye level or slightly above eye level. Much like when you're interacting with someone in person, you want to be able to look them in the eye. If you have it too low, they will be looking up at your chin, which is not a flattering view. If you have it too high, you'll give off the perception of being diminished and small. By raising and lowering your camera to eye level, you're able to look directly at the camera, which gives the audience the feeling that you are interacting with them personally, no matter how many people are on the call. Next, let's discuss the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a guideline for composing an image. Imagine that your video is divided into a tic-tac-toe board. The lines and intersections of the board creates points of tension, energy, and interest. Since we want to be the center of our viewers' attention, you place your head in the upper third of the screen so it feels natural. You'll want to leave yourself a little bit of headroom and have your eyes resting on the upper horizontal line of our tic-tac-toe board. You'll also want to make sure that you're not too close to the camera, as most computer cameras have a wide-angle lens, which distorts your face. A general rule of thumb is to compose yourself from the chest up. I hope you find these tips useful in your next video conference call. For more tips on video conferencing, click the link above.